Necessity is the mother of invention as an oft quoted saying stop. But nowadays a reverse of it is more true stop. In modern business, invention is the mother of necessity stop. In this age of machinery, new things are produced every day stop. Market is created for these things through advertisement stop. Businessmen advertise their goods in various ways and thus spread a knowledge of their goods among the customers pair. It is through advertisements that people begin to feel a need for even those goods of which they had never heard before. Stop. Advertisement creates demand. Stop. It is the backbone of commerce and industries. Stop. No businessman can stay in the business world without advertisement. Stop. A successful businessman is open who snatches away money from even the most miserly and reluctant customer para. Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. Stop. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. Stop. I am sure that you have heard the expression, a smile in the world will smile with you. Stop. I really believe this to be true. Stop. With a little bit of my personal experiences, I would like to tell you, why we should keep smiling. Stop. I totally believe that a true smile is the best way to keep you in a good mood. Stop. Smiling shares our happiness with others. Stop. A smile is the way of showing your happiness, love, friendliness, appreciation and kindness pair. When you watch a friend doing something silly or embarrassing, you smile. Stop. When you are feeling down, seeing someone smile, your heart feels happy and that makes you feel better and probably, you have a better day ahead. Stop. When you are being recognized for your performance in academics, you smile. Stop. A simple smile can do anything in this world. Stop. But, unfortunately, there are places in the world that are in complete stress and depression. Stop. It is really hard to even imagine of not being able to smile. Stop. You know that smile is the most wonderful form of communication. Stop. Well, there are many things in a smile. Stop. So, always keep smiling para. As the world is progressing, so the mean of advertisement are also increasing. Stop. We all know that big posters are pasted on the walls and handbills are distributed to advance the sale of goods. Stop. Walls are painted and big signboards are deployed on crossings and prominent places to serve this purpose. Stop. In cinema hall, first of all, we see the advertisement slides. Stop. A major part of daily newspapers is full of advertisement. Stop. Situation vacant, tender notice, educational, lost and found, matrimonial, cinema advertisements and advertisements of so many commodities are regular features of all newspapers. Stop. Radio and television also are being used as means of commercial advertisement para. A good advertisement must have some certain good qualities. Stop. First, comma, it should be based on human psychology. Stop. A thing meant for ladies, comma, should be advertised in such a way that they are attracted towards it. Stop. If men are to be the customers, comma, then it should appeal to their taste. Stop. Goods for different income groups should be advertised taking into their consideration their purchasing power. Stop. A motor car is a thing for the rich. Stop. Its advertisement must touch the mentality of the rich. Stop. A sewing machine should be advertised in such a way that the family man with ordinary income may feel the economic advantages of the investment of his money on it. Para. Milk is an important part of our daily diet. Stop. It has great nourishing value. Stop. We should have milk every day. Stop. Milk is not only important for growing children but also for people of all age groups. Stop. It is a rich source of calcium, protein, fat and vitamin C. Stop. We get milk mainly from cows and buffaloes. Stop. Other animals that give us milk are sheep, goat and camel. Stop. We use milk in our everyday cooking. Stop. Milk is used from making tea and coffee. Stop. We also use milk to make cheese, cream and chocolates. Stop. It is very important for babies to have milk. Stop. It makes bones stronger and gives us energy. Stop. It is also good for improving memory. Para. Wedding are grand affairs. Stop. I recently attended the wedding of a friend. Stop. It was performed in a park. Stop. It was a great occasion for socializing. Stop. I met many of my friends and relatives with whom, I exchanged information about the families. Stop. I offered my good wishes and my gift to the newly married couple. Stop. I enjoyed the pleasant memories of celebration. Para. The policeman is an important public servant. Stop. He is a strong, tall and a healthy man. Stop. He is a government servant. Stop. He wears a smart khaki uniform. Stop. He keeps a small stick in his hand. Stop. He plays a very important role. Stop. He has to maintain law and order. Stop. He has to did a lot of work. Stop. He goes from place to place to catch thieves and bad people. Stop. Bad characters created a lot of trouble for all of us. Stop. Bad people are afraid of him. Stop. A policeman has to work day and night. Stop. At night, he goes on the round in the area. Stop. His personal life is restricted to certain rules and criteria. Stop. On the occasion of the fair and big meeting, he maintains peace by applying law and order. Stop. It is an extremely tough situation to control his emotion for his family at the festival time. Stop. His duty is very hard, therefore, he should be paid a respectable salary. Stop. There should also be an extra bonus at the festival time duty. Stop. A policeman helps good and peace loving citizens. Stop. He helps them to be happy. Stop. Police is also trained to control the traffic. Stop. They control and manage the traffic at road junctions and crossings. Stop. A policeman also controls crowd. Stop. We must always cooperate with him in maintaining law and order. Stop. We should respect him. Stop. Our life and property are safe because of the policeman stop. Few policemen become very popular and people respect and salute them from bottom of their heart for his honest and style of work. Stop.